Nova Buildings Regional Manufacturing Hub and Export Center for supply of pre-engineered buildings across Southeast Asia is located in Vietnam. The country's ability to import and export a range of steel materials at competitive prices, and the availability of skilled resources, allow Nova Buildings to deliver high-quality steel structures to our customers' projects. Binh Hoa City on the left bank of the Dong Nai River is home to Vietnam's steel and metal products industry, which was established before 1975. Binh Hoa, the largest city in Dong Nai province about 30 kilometers east of Ho Chi Minh City, is in close proximity to the Dong Nai port in southeastern Vietnam. This steel structure factory acquired by Nova Buildings has more than 10 years of operational history, and a successful track record of delivering pre-engineered building projects to multinationals and large domestic clients, in industries such as logistics and distribution, retail hypermarkets, agriculture, food and beverage, and aviation. The plant has an annual capacity of 12,000 tons, and a plan to ramp up production quickly with projected increases in demand based on Nova Buildings' sales pipeline. It is led by core operational team members with more than 10 years of experience in the industry. The production process is substantially automated, and supported by a factory layout that enhances the efficiency of production workflow. To ensure quality is delivered to customers as promised, Nova Buildings facility is equipped with fine precision equipment that can achieve low tolerance values. Welding is applied by highly skilled and certified welders, in accordance with the Structural Welding Code of the American Welding Society. All production follows strictly to shop drawings approved by customers. In addition, mandatory QA/QC inspections are enforced in the factory at every stage of the production process, to guarantee satisfactory output quality. The detailing department is the first port of call for all project orders. Our experienced draftsmen at the factory will quickly generate shop floor drawings based on the project's engineering design and requirements. Shop drawings generated will be sent to the customer for approval and sign-off. Production begins when a batch of steel structures are scheduled. Join us on an exciting journey in our steel structure factory. When visiting the factory, please ensure that you have put on the appropriate level of safety personal protection gear, and walk only on the green lanes unless otherwise permitted. In the factory, production is organized according to workflow stages. Each stage is allocated a station area, and manufacturing transits from one station to another along a U-shaped path designed to enhance workflow efficiency. The factory operations team commences with stringent inspection on the quantity and quality of raw materials. Drawdown of inventory is based on approved shop drawings. A vacuum lifting tool is used to lift the steel plates quickly and safely to the machines in the next stage. At this stage, high-grade steel plates for web and flange are cut to size and shape. Steel plates of thicknesses less than 16 mm are cut with a CNC hydraulic shearing machine. This shearing machine is CNC controlled and designed with an automatic feed table. On the other hand, the 10 torches frame planer machine is used for steel plates of thicknesses greater than 16 mm. The CNC auto-plasma machine, which is capable of cutting any shape and steel thickness, is used for steel connection plates, gusset, and stiffeners. A water pool used to absorb fumes discharged ensures a safe operation and production environment. After steel plates are cut to size, holes will be drilled on connection plates with the CNC auto drilling machine according to approved shop drawings. A magnetic crane is used to lift the cut steel materials quickly and safely to the stock flange location, a temporary holding area for cut steel materials. Inspection is carried out on every flange bar before assembly at the next stage. The cut web and flange, and the drilled holes, are checked to ensure all dimensions are accurate and within the allowable tolerance, in accordance with the approved shop drawings and standards. The web and flanges are tack welded together very quickly on one side using the auto assembly machine. This ensures the web is centered and passes through the auto pull-through welding beam machine to form a built-up member. The entire assembly and auto weld process follows strictly to the shop drawings provided. At this point, another inspection is necessary to ensure the length and height of built-up structural members are accurate, before transferring to the fit-up station. The inspection will pinpoint any eccentricity between the web and flange. After inspection, all components and built-up members are then sent to the fit-up station. Components include connection plates, gusset, clip stiffener, slot holes for bracing rods, flange, end plates, and any connection and small parts that are tack welded. At the fit-up station, another inspection is carried out on the components and built-up members to identify any eccentricity between the web and end plate. Inspection is completed before lifting to the hand welding station to perform permanent welding. In the Nova Building Steel Structure Factory, welding work follows the American Welding Society Manual D1.1. Our fabricated steel structures are in compliance with the AWS codes and MBMA standards. Manual welding is only performed by experienced, highly skilled and certified welders who follow the approved welding procedures. The wagon station keeps the structural members flat and stationary during the welding process. This contributes to the quality of the finished product, and ensures hand welding work is performed exquisitely. The visual surface of the welded joints and dimensions of the welded structural components are inspected after manual welding. Third-party non-destructive testing inspectors are engaged to conduct ultrasonic test and magnetic particle test on the butt joints to ensure the weld joints follow strictly to AWS D1.1 standards. Now, a final inspection is performed to rectify any distortions, waviness, or defects discovered on the steel structures before shot blasting. The surfaces and drilled holes also need to be thoroughly cleaned. Welding spatters, grease and stains are removed, and any sharp edges will be grinned to achieve a smooth surface. The clean steel structures are now channeled to the auto shot blasting chamber. The auto shot blasting machine cleans surfaces up to grade SA 2.5, and adheres to ISO 8501:1 standards. In the Nova Buildings factory, shot blasting is applied in accordance to Swedish standard SA 1.0, SA 2.0, and SA 2.5. The surfaces are then checked by comparing with the international standard. After shot blasting, the steel structures are moved to the paint station where paint is applied using an advanced application system. This paint system suspends steel structures from a monorail which moves the structures automatically along while paint is sprayed on, ensuring the paint is evenly applied. A water curtain absorbs all paint dust during spray application, creating a safe and non-toxic environment. Depending on the specifications of our customer's project, one or multiple coats of alkyd or epoxy paints are applied as primer and top coat. The thickness of the paint layers is checked while the paint is wet, and after the paint has dried. Finally, the steel structures are ready. Every component is checked 100% for surface quality and scratches. The quality inspector will perform a final round of checks on the dimensions and paint thickness. Components that pass the final inspection are marked with Nova Buildings QC Pass mark before packing. For product certification and approval in some Southeast Asian countries, special inspections by foreign authorities are carried out before the steel structures are packed for shipment. The ready steel structures are packed and stacked onto the loading platforms for loading to container and shipment to site. A 4-dock auto-loading platform allows Nova buildings to perform loading onto 4 containers or truck beds quickly, safely, and professionally. This platform is designed with a motorized load pusher that can push packed steel structures or products into containers and truck beds. Our vision is to deliver the Nova difference that can create a positive impact on our customers. Delivering on time to projects, and delivering on the quality we promised, are both integral to upholding Nova Building's vision.